I met when I was 16 years old, and when I was married, I passed through domestic violence. So that's why I said I was a victim. So that's why I started the CPO on the community, Nyaribari Masaba. The CPO called Children's Sweetness of Love. So there's some women who passed a lot. So I asked for the support to that place so that we can help many women and the young women, because there are some young women who get married because of many challenges.
My name is Bernard Chisoli from the County Commissioner's Office. Joined other people in the world. Women are going to school. They also have a good environment in terms of the economy, so that they also have fair opportunities like the men. We also ensure that women are not affected. Also get opportunities in government, so that they also enjoy the services as other people. I also like to say that a lot have been made, but we still have a way to go. Let us not relax. Let us put in more effort, and all measures that we have been doing, let us put in more effort. Let's not get comfortable, and ensure that whatever is remaining is work and done, and let us join efforts and ensure that all going forward, women are respected and valued in our society.
That will mainstream these challenges that we're talking about that are happening to women. We are formulating a gender mainstreaming policy that we finalized and has passed in cabinet. It is now headed to the county assembly before it is launched here, such that now we'll be having a document that will be guiding on these challenges that we are talking about. It is an important day, as many of us have said, that women have been affected in society. And I would say that the CSOs that are here, the chairman here, and the office of the county commissioner, that we work together to ensure that these cases are reported and action is taken against those who have mutilated the women in society. So this is a very important day. It's an awakening that we are having, that we need to inspire, we need to include these women in leadership. And as government here, my colleagues, ministers here who are women are with us. They will be also speaking to you media, so that you also see that as government we are recognizing women leadership. So I want to say that it is very important that we keep on voicing these challenges, and at the same time, as we meet next year to celebrate, or another time to celebrate this day, we will be saying how we have achieved as a nation, or how we have achieved as a country in terms of ensuring that women are given their rights in society.
Men are a voice that need to be included in the table, so that they also drive the development agenda in this county and even abroad. So we thank you for the coverage we have made this work, particularly just to be able to tell this woman who is back there in that deep rural in this county, that we value and respect. Be celebrated. Thank you.
Can ask for the support to support women. I can talk the issue like men can respect women. These cases of gender-based violence is affecting women mostly. So I asking for Nyaribari Masaba, Kisii County to look that place, because there is many